Check of that forecast, and boy, wasn't that wind brutal, Kelly.
It is, and while it's not going to be super windy tomorrow, even a slight breeze is going to make it feel like the single digits in the morning and making it feel, as in wind chills, like the teens in the afternoon, and then we just get colder from there. Temperatures right now, we're in the low to mid 20s. Some of us already the upper teens, but look, when temperatures are that cold, which they're going to continue to drop to the teens tonight, you add a light wind, feels like temperatures, wind chills, single digits tomorrow morning. As you're heading to work, you definitely need to bundle up, trap in that body heat. As we head to the afternoon hours, early afternoon feeling like the teens, late afternoon feeling like the 20-degree mark, even though the actual temperatures themselves are going to be reaching the upper 20s and low 30s for tomorrow. So 7 a.m. 17 feeling like 9, 2 o'clock 30 feeling like 20, 7 o'clock tomorrow down to 22 degrees, again feeling like the teens. And we are going to stay dry for tomorrow. It'll be brighter in the morning, a couple more clouds roll in for the afternoon, and then we'll be partly cloudy by the time we get to tomorrow evening. We do stay pretty dry, maybe a stray flurry from the lake effect snow in New York State, but we're missing out on the snowstorm that's hitting the D.C. area, for example, the Mid-Atlantic. So we're dry tomorrow, we're dry for Tuesday, dry for the next week, really. Next Saturday, though, tracking our next real chance for some snow. Details on that ahead. It's making it feel like it's more than 10 degrees colder than it actually is out there in some instances. Now, tomorrow's not going to be horrifically windy, but as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, it's definitely going to start to get really windy once again. So late tonight, we're still going to be seeing wind gusts nearing 20 miles an hour, but as you get to Tuesday afternoon is when it really picks up again. Tomorrow, 15, 20 mile per hour wind gusts. But look at Tuesday. The worst part about Tuesday is as the wind strengthens, temperature is actually going to be dropped, so the wind chill gets even lower. Tuesday afternoon, 25, 30, 35 mile per hour wind gusts. As we jump into your Wednesday afternoon, more of the same, if not actually worse, 30, 35, nearing 40 mile an hour wind gusts as we get into Wednesday. And Wednesday's temperature is going to be even colder too. So Wednesday is going to be feeling like the single digits for most of the day. So here's the wind chill. This is the feels like temperature. This is what you need to dress for, not what the actual temperature is saying, because the actual temperature does not take into account for what it feels like because of the wind. So 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, you're headed to work. Well, you need to dress for temperatures feeling like the single digits. Even as we head to the afternoon hours, it's going to be feeling like it's close to 20 degrees for a lot of us. In central Mass, it's only going to be feeling like the mid-teens because of the wind. And then it gets worse on Tuesday because the wind gets a whole lot stronger. 7 a.m. Tuesday morning, feeling like the single digits near Boston, feeling like it's below zero in central Massachusetts. Tuesday afternoon, feeling like the mid to the upper single digits, some low teens. So really cold over the next couple days. Now, a lot of eyes are on this mid-Atlantic snowstorm. You can see it's just closing in on D.C. there, all across West Virginia, Ohio, Indiana. It's been snowing all day in some of these locations. You may be asking, well, is this going to impact us as we head into tomorrow? The answer to that is actually just no. The closest approach tomorrow morning is going to be in New York City, maybe even getting into southern Connecticut. But for us here in Massachusetts, we're just not going to be impacted by this. It's going to be passing to our south. However, if you were to go 6 days from now, or 5 days from Monday, we do have a chance for some snow. Now, this particular storm is still thousands and thousands of miles away, so the tiniest little change in where it is now would mean a huge difference in where it ends up, and that's what determines our snowfall amounts, right? Where the low is, how early it comes in, how late it comes in, how long it sticks around for. So it's way too early to talk numbers. You're going to have to wait until basically late this upcoming week for that, but we do have snow chances primarily Saturday night, lingering into very early Sunday morning for some areas closer to the ocean. But otherwise, until we get to next Saturday, it's quiet aside from the cold and the wind. Again, highs in the upper 20s and low 30s, but these wind chills are going to be in the single digits in the teens tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, it gets warmer. Temperatures in the mid-30s, not that that's warm. Breeze will make it feel like the 20s, and then there you go with that snow chance next weekend.